Hey everyone, welcome back to Komal Vision's YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna take up the main question, that is factorization, because I have already completed the third main in 4.4 exercise. So let us begin without any delay. Factorize topic here, that is fourth main. Okay. Before going to the solution, I just want you to say uh, here we have two methods to factorize in our polynomials chapter, that is by using remainder theorem or else by using long division. We can just factorize this. If you guys can see here, since it is a quadratic polynomial, I'll just go with one simple method. You guys can follow it. You can see the question here, 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So the first step I have to do here is I should multiply the coefficient of x square with the constant term present in the expression, that is 12 ones are 12. Okay, now I should search for the factors of 12 in order to get minus 7, which is coefficient of x. Okay, I'll go with 3 and 4 because if I go with 6 and 2, when I subtract or else when I add, I won't get minus 7. So that is why I'll go with 3 and 4 here. So, and one more small suggestion here, you should one more small important thing you should remember here is you have minus 7 over there, so you should take minus 4 plus 3. Why? Because sorry, you should take here let me just tell you guys, you should take here minus 4 and minus 3 so that it will become minus 7. Got it? For both the numbers you should take minus 4 minus 7. If there is minus 1x is there as a middle term, you should take minus 4 plus 3 as the factors. Got it? So now my factors for this one is minus 4 and minus 3. Okay, so now if I take minus 4 and minus 3 here, what happens? The product of minus 4 and minus 3 will be 12 and the sum of these two will be minus 7. So I can definitely go for minus 4 and minus 3 by substituting in the place of minus 7 as minus 4 minus 3 plus 1, which is equals to, now if you guys see, I can write again 12 as 3 into 4 x square minus 4x again minus 3x plus 1. So after this step, I'll just take out the common factors present here. 4x I'll take as a common factor. I'll be left with 3x minus 4 minus 1, because in the place of 4x nothing will be present instead of 1 there if you take out it outside. Next I'll take out common as minus n here, so I'll get 3x minus 1 here. Okay, now again if you search for a common factors, I have 3x minus 1 as common, so when I take this 3x minus 1 outside, I'll get 4x minus 1. So the factors are 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. Got it? Now the second problem. So here I have second problem as 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Again I'm going to multiply coefficient of x square and the constant term here, whereas 2 into 3 I'll get 6. 2 3s are 6. I'll go for the factors of 6 as a second step here. Okay, so I'll get 6 ones are 6. If I go with 2 3s are 6 or 3 2s are 6, I won't get if I add 3 and 2, or if I subtract 3 and 2, I won't get plus 7 here, which is coefficient of x. So that is why what I do, I'll just go for 6 and 1. Again, you should be very careful while choosing the factors sign as well. See, you have plus 7, so you should take plus 6 plus 1. Then only when you add, you will get 6 plus 1 as 7. And when you multiply 6 into 1 as plus 6 into plus 1 as plus 6 you will get here. You should be very careful with the sign as well, otherwise you will get wrong answer. So come, let us substitute in the place of 7x plus 6x and plus 1x. I'll be writing as x itself plus 3. Okay, now if you guys see, I'll just write in order to make you people understand, I'll just split 6 as 2 into 3 and x plus 3. Okay, now if you see, the common factor here is 2x. I'll take it out. I'll be left with x plus 3. Am I correct? Because 2x I took common and here I took 2x common outside. I'll be left with one more x here and 3 here. Okay, and I'll take plus outside here and I'll be left with x plus 3. And again, if you see here in this step, I have x plus 3 as a common term. I'll take it outside. I'll be left with 2x in first term plus here nothing I'll be have, so I'll be writing 1 here. So the factors are x plus 3, 2x plus 1. Okay, so my third problem here is 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So as our first step, I'm gonna follow 6 and minus 6 I'm gonna multiply, because as a first step of factorization we should multiply coefficient of highest factor term, highest power term and the constant term. So I'll take both the numbers product. Should not forget to take minus x here. If you take plus 6, it is minus 6. If you take plus 6, what happens? You will end up with wrong answer. Okay, so I took here 6 into minus 6, it will become minus 36. Okay, you have to be very careful while choosing the factors. We people know what are the factors of 36. 6 6 are 36 and 9 4s are 36. Am I correct? If I add 6 plus 6, I won't get plus 5. If I subtract also, I won't get plus 5. So I won't go with 6 and 6. I'll definitely go for 9 and 4 because my subtraction with 9 and 4, I'll definitely get plus 5. So plus 9 minus 4 will be plus 5 here. So that is why what I do, I'll substitute in the given expression, that is 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. Did you understand this step? I took the factors of 36 as 9 plus 9 comma minus 4 and I am simply substituting in the place of plus 5x because 9x minus 4x is plus 5x. Got it? So now I'll just try to split 6 as 2 into 3x square plus 9 as 3 into 3x and 4x I'll write as it is. And for the time being I'll erase this. I hope you people have understood how that step has come, so that is why I have erased. And 2 into 3 I can write 6 here, correct? Now if you see, I have 3x and 3x as common factor. I'll take it outside. I'll be left with 2 plus 3 minus, if you see guys here, I have, okay, here 1x left, right? So it is 3x into 2x plus 3. And if you guys see here, I can take 2 common outside because here I have 2 and 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So that is why 2x will be left here. And if I take minus 2 common in this step, I'll be left with plus 3 here. So if you observe in these two terms, 2x plus 3 is common. So I'll take it outside. So I'll be left with again 3x minus 2. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to put 2x here. Make sure 2x plus 3 is there. Since square was there, I forgotten to put. So I hope you will just keep in your mind. That is 2x plus 3. Got it? So now let us solve fourth problem. Okay, our fourth problem is 3x square minus cx minus 4. So let me just check what is the highest degree coefficient here. Plus 3, and the constant term is minus 4. When I take the product of plus 3 and minus 4, I'll get minus 12 here, because 3 4s are 12. And in order to get the coefficient of x number, that is minus 1, if you can't see anything here, you should consider it as minus 1x. So I should consider the factors of 12 here, where I can get the coefficient of x as 1 if I add or subtract the factors. Okay, so I think I can go with 3 4s and minus 4 I'll take, because I want minus 1 here. When I subtract minus 4 plus 3, I'll get minus 1. Okay, now in the place of minus x, I'll just substitute 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Okay, now I'll just group the same terms present here. 3x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 4x. Okay, now in order to make the problem even more easy, I have just grouped the same numbers and same terms. If you see, I have 3x as common here. I'll be left with x plus 1, and minus 4 I can take common here, so I'll be left with again x plus 1. Minus 4 common I took outside, so I'll be left with x plus 1. If you guys see, again x plus 1 is common in both the terms. I'll take x plus 1 common, and the remaining term is 3x minus 4. So that's it, guys. This is how you should find out a quadratic polynomial factors. Is it okay? All the thing you should do is, you should just concentrate on the coefficient of highest degree expression, highest degree term, and the last constant term. Take the product and make sure you will match the factors of that product number uh, will be equal to the coefficient of x. Okay, so this is how we actually find the factors of quadratic polynomials. And there is a very much simplest way where you people can find the factors within 10 to 15 seconds. I'm gonna come back soon with that video as well. Stay tuned to the video, and I hope you understand this video today. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe my channel and like this video, and do not forget to share the video. Okay, thank you so much.